The easiest AI business to launch in 2025, it's already built. You just have to license it. Most people are wasting time trying to build something from scratch. Meanwhile, others are buying pre-made softwares and tools for under $100, branding them, and charging people $15 to $49 a month. So you don't need to code, you don't need a team. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint on how you can copy this strategy and be on your way to making 5, 6, or even 7 figures with no code AI software. For example, this pre-made software that you're looking at right here, this no-code AI builder, is called Magic AI. If I go over here and look at the marketplace, this is a $39 software. Once you purchase this, instead of Magic AI, it will have your logo. Instead of no-code AI builder, you can add your own text. It's very powerful. So let's look at the demo right here. This is a demo. It says Ultimate AI Chatbot. Now imagine owning a software like this. Somebody come to use your software. They click on pricing. They go down here and they select the $39.90 plan, which you can set these plans at whatever you want. That is the power of licensing the software instead of spending $100,000 to build one yourself. What if you could spend $39, way under $100,000? You can do that if you license a software, something like this, what I'm showing you right now. This is something that a lot of people don't want you to know about. You can literally purchase this software today and have people paying you $39.90 a month or $15 a month or $20 a month, whatever you set your price to. You can literally have people paying you this amount tomorrow. If I were to launch this software right here and I wanted to take it to, let's say, $100,000 a year, what I would personally do is, because since the AI space is getting crowded, which it got a ways to go, but since it's getting a little crowded, I would license a software like this and I would choose a niche. So I would do AI for teachers or AI for chefs or whatever it may be. I would choose a specific niche and I would target this group of people, and that's how I would market it. So let's say you're running an ad on Facebook and you're targeting teachers. Are you a teacher that want to learn more about AI, or are you a teacher that want to use an AI tool that's friendly to teachers, or however you want to word it? You want to talk directly to them. And of course, you can use the one and only ChatGPT to come up with a nice script for you. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to type here. I'm launching an AI software targeting teachers. Give me short ad copy that I can use for a Facebook ad. So that's all I'm gonna type right there. And let's see what it come up with. Teachers, meet your new classroom assistant. Work less, teach more. Tired of staying late in school? These are $100,000 ads right here. So I go back over here to the software and I purchase the software, like I said, for $39. I hire somebody, let's say on like Upwork.com, to set the software up for me. Of course, choose my brand name, and I start running ads. This is all you got to do in order to launch your own software. This is something over here on Envato Market. If you haven't heard of Envato Market, it's a marketplace where you can license different softwares, WordPress stuff. You can license text, videos, audio. You can purchase it, put your brand name on it, and resell it as if you are the one who created it. So they have all types of softwares. They have all types of plugins. You can just come over here and you can literally purchase whatever you want and put your brand name on it. And the reason why I wanted to focus on AI is because it's probably your easiest path to make it to $100,000 a year in 2025 by focusing on this topic. So if you want to head over to Envato Market, click the link in the description and you will get a better deal by checking out my Envato link. But I just wanted to introduce you to something that a lot of people are gatekeeping. They're not telling you that something like Envato Market exists. Now, I already know that sometimes people may acquire software for $10,000 and do the same thing that I'm showing you right here, but this doesn't happen all the time. People are generating millions upon millions of dollars with no code softwares, and you can do it for $39. So again, The steps that you will want to take to make this happen, the first thing you want to do is go to Envato Market and you want to search for Magic AI. And they have other ones. I'm just saying this is one that's really, really good. I mean, it competes with the best of the best. So you want to license and purchase Magic AI for $39. The next thing you want to do is you want to head over to a site like Upwork.com and you want to hire somebody to set the site up for you. Somebody on Upwork or somebody on Fiverr would do it for, let's say, $80 to $100. So you will be $139 in max. After they set it up for you, you will be able to log into your dashboard, and I'll show you how that looks, and click on the admin section, and you will be able to set up all of your personal details. As you can see, it's a nice clean dashboard. So imagine looking on here where these demo numbers are. Imagine these being your numbers. It's very possible when you are talking about artificial intelligence. So understand the power of owning your very own software like this that's going to lay everything out for you. So whenever you own a software like this, of course, you want to go in and you want to set up your, you can set up your affiliates where people can promote it for you. You can pay them a commission. So that's another way you can make money. You want to set up your payment system. So if I go down here to settings, API integrations, Google AdSense, you can make ad revenue from your software as well. And of course, like I said, you click on settings. Let's go down here and check out just different things. Check out registrations, thumbnail system, general settings. Click on general settings right here, branding. I can click on the branding right here, languages, SEO. You can upload your favicon. You can put your site name, your site URL, your logos. You can do everything right here. What you're looking at, once again, is your very own six-figure software that you don't have to spend $100,000 to have coded. You can do this for $39, and a lot of people are just not telling you about this. This is a site that I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars licensing tools with. So you can not only build these softwares, but you can also sell them. So imagine spending $139 altogether, and over time you end up spending, let's say, $5,000 on ads, and your software that you are just barely $5,000 over with spending, which I'm not saying you have to spend that amount of money, but let's say if you did want to invest $5,000 in ads. Imagine getting that valuation to $50,000 and you're just a little bit over $5,000. That's the power of owning your very own software, because what's extremely powerful is when you have monthly recurring customers that's paying you month after month. But again, I'll keep going back to the no-code AI builder, because there's nothing that's going to get you there faster than something in the artificial intelligence space. So I wanted to make this video to let you know that this site exists, that you can do this. You don't have to be somebody that's looking for ways to make money. You can simply fast track your way to a $50,000. You can fast track your way to $100,000 and beyond, and then have an exit for, let's say, $250,000. Understand that this can happen. I have sold multiple sites from this site before, like licensed sites, built them up and sold them. And I know of many other people that have as well. If you go to flippa.com, you'll find a few of these sites right here for sale that people have built up to $5,000 a month and are selling for $80,000. This is a powerful thing. This can make you extremely rich if you focus on something like this. So I challenge you to get your very own no-code site and crush it in 2025. But when it's all said and done, you still need the proper guidance. And that's exactly why I created a 0 to 100K Mastermind group. This is where I combine digital marketing and artificial intelligence. I combine these two things and I teach these two topics inside of my private group. So you will learn everything from creating ad copy, launching softwares like this, doing automation via email. You will learn everything you can think about inside my mastermind group. Right now, we're about 52 people strong, and I plan on probably capping it out, let's say 100 people. So you still have time to join. So if you click on the link in the description of this video, you can join my 0 to 100K mastermind group to learn next level strategies like this. And if you do decide to grab this software, you can learn how to promote it, how to grow it and promote it with everything I'm teaching within the group. So go ahead once again and click the link in the description of this video to join my 0 to 100K Mastermind group, because I'm going to be going over a lot of this stuff. I'm already teaching a lot of stuff right now, and this is going to be one of the next topics that I dig into. If you're somebody that haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so. I just wanted to make a quick video just kind of exposing things that a lot of people are not telling you, and I'm going to be making many more videos like this exposing these top of the line strategies. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you thought about it, and do not forget to hop into the Mastermind group if you want to learn next level strategies just like this one.